learn to write.
Hi kids, welcome to our fun writing time. Today, we are going to learn how to trace letters and make beautiful words together. We will start by making easy lines and curves. Then we will trace letters like A, B, C, and soon you will write your name all by yourself. Before we start, grab your pencil, your eraser and some paper, or you can use your favorite writing book. Let's begin. Scribbling. Now this is the first step towards real handwriting. Scribbling is messy writing. Scribbling is how little children start learning to write. It means writing quickly and carelessly. Let me show you an example. Yes, this is an example of scribbling. It's not words yet, but it's an important first step of writing. It helps children's fingers get stronger for real letters later. It's their way of practicing hand movements. So here is an example of scribbling. Controlled scribbling. Now, controlled scribbling is the second stage of writing. Now, this is where a child scribble starts to look more organized. Not just random lines anymore, but with patterns and shapes that show the child is trying to write real letters or words. Now, in this stage of writing, the child show better control of their hand and pencil. Let me show you an example. Controlled scribbling, just like an ocean wave. Now, this is an important step before the real writing. Lines. They are the basic building blocks for letters, numbers, shapes, and all writing. Before kids can write letters, they first learn to draw and control different kinds of lines. Let me show you an example. We have the straight lines. And again, we have the zigzag lines. Now, these lines are very important in writing. These lines help kids to get ready to write letters and numbers, understand direction, and train their hands and fingers. 2 dots. Now, when teaching kids to write letters or numbers, 2 dots can be used as guides or anchor points to show where to start and where to finish a stroke. It helps kids understand direction and control, so lines don't wiggle everywhere. Now, let me show you an example. Look at these 2 magic dots. Now, start at the first and draw a line to the next dot. This way. You see, you have made a straight line. Two dots are very important because it shows where to start and stop. It helps kids control pencil movements. It makes letters neat and clear, and it builds confidence step by step. Dashed lines. Dashed lines are lines made up of small dashes or broken pieces instead of one solid line. Now, when teaching young children to write letters, numbers, or shapes, We often use dashed lines as a tracing guide. Dashed lines show kids where to draw. They trace over the dashes to make a correct shape. Now, let me show you an example. Dashed lines are important because children can see the correct shape but still practice controlling their pencil. Their hands get used to the motion needed for real letters. Kids feel proud because their letters look neat when they trace dashed lines. This is very easy to practice. Just put your pencil on the first dash and carefully draw along the dashes until you reach the end. Curves. Now, curves are smooth, rounded lines. They bend gently instead of going straight. In writing, curves are very important because many letters and numbers are made with curves. For example, the letter C is a curve. The letter S is two curves joined together. The number 3 is made of two curves. Again, there are different types of curves. We have the open curve. For instance, letter C is an open curve. We have the closed curve. For example, letter O. We all know letter O. Letter O is a what? Closed curve. We also have the wavy curve. Now, letter S. S is what? Is a wavy curve. Now, let me show you an example. Learning to draw curves helps kids control their pencil and wrist smoothly. Most lowercase letters have curves. Drawing curves helps kids get ready for real handwriting. Patterns. Patterns are shapes, lines or marks that repeat in the same way over and over again. In early writing, patterns help kids practice control, rhyme and neatness, and prepare their hands for writing real letters and numbers. Patterns are important because drawing patterns build strong hand muscles and good pencil control. Patterns teach kids to make shapes they will later use in letter, like curves, lines, and zigzags. Patterns helps kids enjoy repeating patterns. It feels like drawing and playing at the same time. Now, let me show you an example. your hand. Get ready for beautiful writing. Tracing. Tracing means drawing or writing by following a line, shape, or letter that is already there. When kids trace, they carefully follow dotted lines, dashed lines, or faint shapes with their pencil or crayon. Now, tracing is important because kids feel successful because they can make neat letters, lines, or shapes right away. Tracing strengthens the fingers and hand muscles used for real writing. Kids learn where to start and how to move their pencil for each line or letter. Now, let me show you an example. Number tracing. Now, tracing is when you draw on top of lines or letters to practice making them. It's like following a path with your pencil. Now, the last one is copying lines and shapes. Once kids trace confidently, ask them to copy lines and shapes without dotted guides. This step builds independence, just like this. This is letter A and I've just traced it. Now, I want you to copy letter A without what? The dots. Just like this. Letter B, just like this. Without the dots. Letter C, just like this. Just curve. Letter D, just like this. Letter E, just like this. Letter F, just like this, etc., etc., etc.
Hey kids, big writers start with small lines. Every scribble today is a story tomorrow. Little hands, big letters. You are your way to becoming a writing star. Practice your lines, your shapes and letters, and soon you will write your own adventures. Please do well to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.